Hello friends, my name is Bento Lobo and I am the Vice President of the Bombay Catholic Sabha, heading the Membership and Environment Forum. I am going to tell you a brief about the Bombay Catholic Sabha and why you need to become member of a Bombay Catholic Sabha. The Bombay Catholic Sabha is a non-government organization registered with the Charity Commissioner. Bombay Catholic Sabha is an independent lay organization with the Archdiocese of Bombay. What are its activities? In the past 32 years of existence, the Bombay Catholic Sabha has played a leading role wherever Christians are under attack or their rights are under threat. The Sabha has played a leading role to protect heritage crosses, support people of Uttar and Gorai against the special economic zone, people of Sahar against airport expansion, stood up against demand of people with political connection who harassed the schools for undue favors like admissions, participated in the India Against Corruption campaign, and a host of other issues involving human rights and social justice. The Sabha has also organized large public rallies that have received a good response at Azad Maidan, Shivaji Park, and initiated mass agitations wherever it felt there was an injustice and brought the issues to the notice of the government authorities. Sabha has also risen to the occasion to lend a helping hand during natural calamities like floods, earthquake, and even the recent COVID pandemic. The Sabha networks with and collaborates with Agni, Church in the City, Dignity Foundation, Justice and Peace Commission, Center for Social Action, Small Christian Communities, and many other NGOs and organizations. Why become a member? Your membership will show that you are a part of this organization that is committed to doing frontline activities to create a better society. It will give a big boost to the organization because membership counts. The strength of the organization lies in numbers. Often it lies with various authorities and make representation on behalf of the community. A strength of 64,000 plus members is not very flattening in an archdiocese of 5.5 Catholics. His Eminence Cardinal Oswald Gracious also has termed and said, I heartily recommend that every Catholic above the age of 18 becomes a member of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. Thank you very much. We would like to hear more from the President, Advocate Raphael, and the former Presidents of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. Thank you.
In the Archdiocese of Bombay, we, the members of the Bombay Catholic Sabha, invite all eligible parishioners, that is, those who are above the age of 18, to join this organization. It is a registered charitable trust who takes up issues of socio-civic, political, environmental, and youth-related activities. We are pleased to have the patronage of our Cardinal, and by joining this organization, what you would do is to lend your hand to the fight against various issues concerning the community which the BCS will take it up. So, my dear friends, I invite you to come and join and strengthen the hands of Bombay Catholic Sabha to build a better tomorrow today. Thank you.
Hi, friends. We appeal to you and we urge you to become members of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. You might ask why. We want an India that treats us equally. We want peace. We want communal harmony. We want justice. We want fraternity. BCS is and needs to be a voice of the voiceless. BCS vision statement is sharp and clear: to create a just society through involvement in socio, civic, and political affairs. We once again urge you to add your strength to make this happen. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi, I am Gordon D'Souza, former president of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. Are you unhappy with the mess you see around you today? There is so much corruption, intolerance, snatching away of human rights, injustice issues, and you want to do something about it, then the Bombay Catholic Sabha is the right organization for it. Because you will have like-minded people joining you and institutional support to do these activities. I have rose from the ranks and have been the president of the Bombay Catholic Sabha from 2010 to 2016. And I have had a very fulfilling experience in all the work that I did. Whether in the work of social, civic, political, good governance, there is everything on offer for you to work for the Bombay Catholic Sabha, through the Bombay Catholic Sabha for the society, to create a just society through involvement in social, civic, and political affairs. So do be a member of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rita Desai, immediate past president of the BCS. I'm here to appeal to each one of you to become a member of the Bombay Catholic Sabha. Yes, we have a large number of membership and the largest organization in Archdiocese, but we need to be much more than that. We need to represent a large ratio of the Catholics whenever we go to the government authorities, to others for important issues. The Sabha gets involved in any important issues that concern us, concern human beings, concern the community, and we need to all stay united, stand together, because as the current times are, we can't afford to be on our own anymore. We have to be joined together, join hands, stand united, and work together. And particular appeal to the youth, those who are 18 and above, please immediately join the Bombay Catholic Sabha, because you are not only the present, you are the future, and together we can take this organization far and make this an outstanding body with all of your supports. Thank you.
Well, friends, to sum it up, what I would like to tell you is we are clear of our goals. All we have to do is move into action and ensure that we reach there at the fastest. Thank you.